Bonjour classe. Le deuxième concept, the second concept, qui est très important dans leçon 6, est l'idée des endroits. The idea of places is another really important concept that's covered in this chapter. Once you have mastered being able to identify and use the verb être, you can combine that with some places in town, as well as cities, countries, and other expressions to say where you are. Où is the question word associated with this idea of places. So, what do you think où might mean? Right. Où means where. Okay. So this question here is really important if you want to give a description, if you're trying to say, where you are, you're trying to ask directions. These are all kind of survival language. If you were traveling abroad, or if you just want to tell about yourself, to say where you're from. So starting out, I've highlighted here some just common places to get us started. Au restaurant. Je suis au restaurant. I am at the restaurant. En ville. Tu es en ville? You're in town? En ville. À la maison. À la maison. Le chien est à la maison. The dog is at home. En classe. En classe. Les étudiants sont en classe. En classe, in class. C'est un peu différent de à l'école. À l'école is at school. We saw that in La Nouvelle Fille. Au café. Au café. Les touristes sont au café. The tourists are at the café. Au cinéma. Au cinéma. J'aime regarder les films au cinéma. I like to watch movies at the movie theater. Au cinéma, at the movie theater. En vacances. En vacances. Je veux voyager en vacances en été. Je veux voyager en vacances en été. I want to travel on vacation in the summer. Pour les villes, if you are wanting to describe where someone is in terms of what city they're in, you are always going to use the preposition à avec l'accent grave. Okay, so the accent when it goes this way, okay, is called an accent grave, a grave accent, okay? Accent grave. It does not affect pronunciation at all. It is just to signal that it means at or in, okay? So when you're wanting to tell where you are in terms of a city, the formula, toujours, 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 always, 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 pour les villes, always for the cities, is à plus ville. So if the question is, où est Cécile? Where is Cécile? Elle est, she is, à Paris. She is in Paris. Elle est à Boston. She's in Boston. Elle est à Québec. Okay, so à plus ville. It gets a little bit more complicated when we're talking about pays, when we're talking about countries. For the basic formula is that you need to know if the name of the country is masculine or feminine. I know you're rolling your eyes right now, but France, for example, is a feminine country. So if you want to say in France, it's going to be en France. Okay, so en France. However, Mexique, it's le Mexique. Mexique is a masculine country. So you would say au Mexique, and that would mean in Mexico. En France, in France. Au Mexique, in Mexico. Aux États-Unis. Aux États-Unis. Why do you think this one is different from the other two? Right. États-Unis, United States, is plural. Les États-Unis, the United States. Therefore, it's AUX for in the United States. Don't worry so much about this right now. That's just more for your information. Okay, some other important words to describe where someone is. Here, there, over there. Okay. Ici, ici, here. All right. And I've included a couple of examples taken from French maps. So when you're a tourist, you will generally see this, like when you go into the metro station, you go to look at a map, or you come out of, you're in the airport, a mall, anywhere, and you're wanting to orient yourself, you will see this kind of, red dot. Vous êtes ici. Okay. Vous. What's a vous mean? Right. You formal or you plural. Vous êtes. You are here. Vous êtes ici. Okay. So here, and then as you can see, I've expanded my circle. Là. Là. So ici, ici, là, là-bas. Okay. Here, there, over there. Okay. Ici, là, là-bas. This is helpful when you're wanting to describe the location of objects or, where someone is very informally, very quick, and it's also very commonly used.